Hello. Today we are going to learn pay-per-click PPC advertising. In Module 4, we have these topics: setting up and managing PPC campaigns, for example Google Ads, Bing Ads, creating effective ad copy and targeting options, measuring and optimizing PPC campaigns. Setting up and managing PPC campaigns, for example Google Ads, Bing Ads. Setting up and managing PPC campaigns involves a series of steps to ensure that your campaign is effective in reaching your target audience and achieving your marketing goals. Here is a general overview of the process. 1. Define your campaign objectives. Before setting up a PPC campaign, you need to determine your goals. What do you want to achieve with your campaign? Are you looking to increase website traffic, generate leads, increase brand awareness, or drive sales? Having clear goals will help you determine 1. The most effective campaign strategy. 2. Choose the right PPC platform. There are several PPC platforms available, including Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, and LinkedIn Ads. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that's best suited for your business. 2. And campaign goals. 3. Create your campaign structure. Your campaign structure should be based on your goals and target audience. It should include ad groups, keywords, ad copy, and landing pages. 4. Set your budget and bids. Determine how much you are willing to spend on your campaign and set your bids for each keyword. Bids should be based on keyword relevance, competition, and expected ROI. 5. Create compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be concise, relevant, and compelling. 6. Choose the right keywords. Research and select relevant keywords that align with your campaign goals and target audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify high-performing keywords. Monitor and optimize your campaign. Regularly monitor your campaign performance and make adjustments. 7. As needed. This may include adjusting bids, adding new keywords, or testing different ad copy. By following these steps and continually optimizing your campaign, you can create effective PPC campaigns that generate leads and drive sales. Creating effective ad copy and targeting options is key to the success of your PPC campaigns. Here are some tips to help you create ad copy that resonates with your target audience and target options that reach the right people. 1. Understand your target audience before creating ad copy and targeting. 2. Use attention-grabbing headlines. Your headline is the first thing people see when they view your ad, so it needs to be attention-grabbing. Use power words and numbers to create urgency and draw people in. 3. Highlight your unique value proposition. Your ad copy should clearly communicate. 3. Your unique value proposition. What makes your product or service better than your competitors? Use language that highlights your benefits and differentiators. 4. Use a clear call to action. Your ad should include a clear call to action that tells people what you want them to do. This could be to sign up for a free trial, request a quote, or make a purchase. 5. Test different ad variations. Create multiple ad variations to test which ones perform best. 5. This could include testing different headlines, ad copy, and call to actions. 6. Use targeting options to reach the right people. Most PPC platforms offer a range of targeting options, including demographic targeting, location targeting, interest targeting, and more. Use these options to reach 6. The right people and improve your campaign performance. 7. Monitor and adjust your targeting options. Regularly monitor your campaign performance and adjust your targeting options as needed. This could include adding new targeting options, removing underperforming options. 7. Or adjusting your bid amounts. By following these tips, you can create effective ad copy and targeting options that reach your target audience and drive conversions. Measuring and optimizing your PPC campaigns is critical to their success. Here are some steps to help you measure and optimize your campaigns. 1. Set up conversion tracking. The first step in measuring your campaign's success is to set up conversion tracking. This will allow you to track the actions 1. People take after clicking on your ads, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or subscribing to a newsletter. Analyze campaign metrics. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rate (CTR), cost per click (CPC), conversion rate, and return on ad spend (ROAS). These metrics will help you. 2. Identify areas where your campaign is performing well and areas that need improvement. 3. Identify high-performing keywords. Identify the keywords that are generating the most conversions and revenue. Use this information to optimize your bids and ad copy for these keywords. 4. Optimize ad copy. Test different ad variations to see which ones perform best. This could include testing different headlines, ad copy, and call to actions. Use the results to optimize your ad copy for better performance. 5. Adjust bidding strategies. Adjust your bidding strategies based on your campaign goals and performance data. For example, if your goal is to increase conversions, consider switching to a bid strategy that focuses on conversions rather than clicks. 6. Use negative keywords. Use negative keywords to exclude irrelevant search terms and improve your campaign's relevance. This will help you reach the right audience and improve your click-through and conversion rates. 7. Monitor and adjust regularly. Continuously monitor your campaign's performance and adjust your targeting, ad copy, and bidding strategies as needed. Regular optimization will help you your campaign's performance and ROI. By following these steps and continually optimizing your campaign, you can ensure that your PPC campaigns are effective in reaching your target audience and achieving your marketing goals. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.